Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a little changing on my air compressor situation. I have this pancake air compressor that I use as kind of my portable air compressor. My shop one does have wheels on it, but it's much heavier to lift that like into the back of the pickup or something like that. It is fairly heavy. So what I have been doing is, and I know this is designed to be hooked to a wall and used that way. But I've been using this Flexzilla 30 foot, and it works pretty good. But to be honest, I'm hardly using very much of it when I am out there. And then the other thing I really don't like about this is on this end, when you push it in, when you try and get it, you push this black piece forward. So then you've got to work it back so that it's flush again. Kind of a pain in the butt. The other thing, if you leave it out in the shed over the winter, the mice seem to like the taste of this. So to that end, I'm going to switch it up. This will probably end up out in the shed with the other air compressor. And I'm just going to make a short hose to keep with this pancake one. So I got a 6-foot hose, which in most cases this is light enough you can get it to the tire. 6 foot's going to be plenty. So let's get the zip ties off of here. All right, there's our 6-foot hose. Perfect. Max 300-pound pressure. Pretty sure I'm not going to exceed that. So I'll take one end is my male end. Snug that up tight. We'll check it and make sure it's not leaking once. Then I've got my female coupler end. So it's just like what you've got on the actual air compressor itself. Okay, I've got that tight. All right, moment of truth. See if I need to snug it up anymore. A little bit. Oh, what did I need there? 5/8. And I generally don't use the Teflon tape when you've got brass on brass, but I might not be able to tighten this down enough. The other end, and the other end's leaking a little bit too. Okay, that one got tight. Pretty good. So now I'll have this to use instead of my Flexzilla. And I think that's going to be a lot handier. You know, it'll roll up pretty small, fit right on the handle there. Have it with the cord. I could do some type of bungee deal, but I probably won't. Anyway, that's my tool change up or whatever you want to call it for today. As always, take care.